Welcome to this video. What we're going to do is show you how to yield farm using Minswap. So you're going to go to minswap.org and click on Launch App. There you go. So once you connect your wallet, here we can see my hockey.ada, which is my ADA handle. But this is my NAMI wallet that I've connected, and we've got 10,000 MELD. So what we're going to do is add that as liquidity to the protocol so then we can earn interest. So we're going to go to farm and we're going to find the ADA and MELD. So you need to pair your liquidation. So with these DEXs, decentralized exchanges, you can pair different assets and earn a yield. So there you saw Copy and you can earn a little yield. So check out the rewards. So we're going to put in MELD, and then you could also just go through the list and see it. So once you do that, you can see the rewards, and we're going to earn about 19-20% in Minswap's token. Then you're also going to earn a bit of ADA. So what we're going to do, instead of using our ADA balance, we are going to use our max balance for MELD. So once we do that, we still have a little bit of ADA left, which is what you want to make sure you do. So if we do 10,000, then we also need to add 511 Cardano. So what we're going to do is we're going to be given these LP tokens that we can then stake. So you can stake a 50%, 25% instead. So what we're going to do is just sign this transaction, and that's just telling and adding a contract that we are putting in this order to deposit 10,000 MELD and 511 ADA. So once that finishes queuing, we are going to see that completed, and then what we can do from there is delegate those LP tokens. So we got, what is that, 2 million tokens, so that's pretty cool. So if we go to our wallet, we scroll down and we can see the tokens, the LP tokens that we now have. So now what you're doing is you are adding liquidity to this decentralized exchange so that when other people are doing trades, or even yourself, you earn a little bit of those rewards. So again, because this is decentralized, we're taking out the middleman, we get that advantage. So as you can see here, we're going to scroll and we're going to do 100% into this delegation. Okay, so we're going to sign that transaction, and it's going to cost 2 ADA. But that's fine. Just make sure that you're not doing this for a day unless you have millions of dollars. Make sure that you're doing this for, 2, 3, 4 months, maybe even a year. Okay, so now when we go to our wallet, it does take a little bit of time, but you can see that our LP tokens are gone. And now our liquidity is showing, and our pool share is 0.0189%. So there you go. That is how you add liquidity to Minswap. So we are going to earn about 20% in Min tokens and then about 1% in Cardano. So check out the other pairings that you can do. And then when you're done, all you have to do is claim and harvest your tokens. So definitely check out our online courses as well. Use coupon code MOOSEISLOOSE. We will see you in the next video.